The DFP320-MKS-BP2 series of environmental computer workstations acts like a mini clean room, keeping airborne debris from entering and damaging your mission-critical computer hardware. Our NEMA-style dual-fan positive pressure enclosures are the most user-friendly on the market. The DFP320-MKS-BP2 is built for a 22-inch monitor, barcode printer, small form factor PC, keyboard, and mouse. The enclosure features removable doors and a large bifold door that opens up from the back wall, giving the user full access to the barcode printer for easy label changes and printer maintenance. The enclosure also features a pull-out keyboard tray and mouse pad. The lower cabinet has an abundance of room and a fan and filter system. This gives you the option to house a laser printer or large PC and keep it clean. Our industrial tough ABS construction works great with wireless networks, and all of our enclosures come with a 5-year warranty. Don't see what you're looking for? Give us a call at 800-775-7611 or email us at sales@dustfreepc.com. We will work to build a custom enclosure for your specifications. Dust Free PC, protecting your hardware since 1999.